So I'm here today in Boerne, Texas, taking care of some work for a client. Basically, I came out here to do some patchwork. The plumbers had to make some holes on the wall to access the plumbing to install the water heater, the water softener. But while I'm here, the clients also wanted me to take care of some other issues that they had in their garage with their ceiling. All the tape and float joints are cracking, as you can see right there. All of them. I already took off these over here, cleaned them up, scraped off all the loose stuff. I still have to do this one right now. And that's all the mess from it right there. Now, one of the problems that I've noticed with garages especially is that people tend to leave the garage doors open almost all day. Especially in the morning is the worst time, and I guess late at night too, when you have the dew point pretty high. You can see the ceiling. I don't know if this camera does justice, but you can see where the ceiling is bowing down in different areas. Let me get up on the ladder and just show you a little bit where I'm talking about, so you can see, and maybe you probably having the same problem as well and need to have it fixed, and maybe learn that you need to stop having the garage door open all day, because garages aren't built for exterior. You leave the door open, well, you're basically turning it into an exterior, and all that moisture goes inside, and the sheetrock absorbs it, and it weakens the density. So, like right here on this seam right here, I don't know if you can tell how the ceiling is sagging right there, as well as right here. See the ceiling sagging? That's the worst part, or I guess that's the best part where the camera could see it. And then the other one would be right about here, down that line right here. You can see this, you can see the sagging. And even over there, right above that fluorescent light fixture, like it's sagging on the left and right of it, or rather on both sides of that fixture. You can see right up under the middle of it. And then on that last run, where it was taped and float right here, you can also see it. I don't know if the camera shows it, but I'm just showing it to you right now. And then the worst of it right here would be on this butt right here, where the sheets of sheetrock were butted up. That's how much moisture gets in there, and it actually penetrates the sheetrock and it absorbs it. And it just weakens, it gets sagged. Like, have you ever seen a piece of sheetrock outside and it just starts sagging and it just starts moving around? See that? The only way to fix that is to short back up with some screws. Unfortunately, you can see my trout. There's nothing to short it up to. It's about at least over 24 inches from right here all the way to this corner over here. So basically I'm gonna have to get up there with a long piece of board and screw on both sides and short this up right here. That way it'll be flush and I can go ahead and take care of the tape and floating, because there's no way you can do the tape and floating like that. It's not gonna work, it's not gonna look good, it's not gonna last. Everything has to be short up. You can see how brittle the mud is. And it's so brittle because of the moisture that's in there. Inside of the house, you typically don't get anything like this unless there's a roof leak or something like that.